Welcome to the captivating world of cats, where mysterious charm and feline grace intertwine. In this enchanting video, we will explore their independent nature, agile movements, and the unique bond they form with humans, as we uncover the fascinating behaviors that make them beloved companions. Cats captivate us with their mesmerizing eyes, soft and luxurious fur, and their sleek and flexible bodies. Their eyes, often expressing a sense of curiosity and mystery, reveal the depths of their fascinating nature. Their graceful movements and nimble paws make them agile hunters and acrobats, effortlessly navigating their surroundings. Cats are renowned for their independent nature. With a spirit of curiosity and a sense of adventure, they explore their environment with a captivating sense of confidence. From scaling heights to investigating nooks and crannies, they embody a sense of self-reliance that adds to their allure. Cats are meticulous groomers, spending a significant portion of their time maintaining their appearance. With their specialized tongues and delicate grooming rituals, they keep their fur clean, free of tangles, and well-groomed. Their grooming habits not only serve to keep them comfortable, but also strengthen the bond between cat and owner through mutual grooming sessions. Cats are experts in the art of relaxation. Whether curled up in a cozy spot by the window or stretched out luxuriously, they exude a sense of contentment and tranquility. Their ability to find comfort in any space they claim as their own adds to their charm as beloved companions. Cats form unique bonds with their human companions. Through gentle head bumps, purring, and rubbing against their owners, they communicate their affection and establish a sense of trust. These moments of connection highlight the deep bond that can develop between humans and their feline friends. Join us on this enchanting journey into the world of cats, where mysterious charm and feline grace leave an indelible mark on our hearts. Let us appreciate and cherish these beloved companions, recognizing the elegance and joy they bring to our lives. As we conclude our exploration, let the image of a contented cat, curled up in peaceful repose, remind us of the serenity and warmth that cats bring to our homes. May we continue to embrace and care for these remarkable creatures, celebrating their unique qualities and the extraordinary bond we share with them. Subscribe or follow for more interesting videos about wild animals.